I am building this traditional ranch house from advancedhouseplans.com. So far I have completed an actual foundation, framed the floor. Today we're going to lay out the walls and we're going to cut the plates for them. Let's get to work. Alright, we got to transfer these walls to this floor. We are using 2x6s for the exterior walls. They are 3/8 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch. So let's start on the longest wall, which is this back wall. So on the corners, let's measure in 3/8 of an inch and make a mark. We'll use this straight edge to make a line. I'm going to use this carpenter square to square off this wall. Make this straight line. We have 2 more walls to lay out, this one and that one, before we can start laying out the interior walls. Let's get to it. Now that we have the outer 2x6 walls laid out, we can start laying out the interior walls. The interior walls are going to be framed with 2x4s. The 2x4s are 1/4 inch by 1/8 of an inch. Let's take a look at the plans and see where the best place to start is. We already have that wall laid out. This wall just continues through, so let's start there. Let's go over here and frame these 2 closets out. Alright, nice work. But you know what? There's something that's not sitting right with me. Do you know what that is? Yep, that's better. Now that we have the walls laid out, we can start plating. But I don't have that material here, so let me go get that. Now that we have material on site, we can start plating. the bottom plates on, we have to put the double top plates on. Now the last thing that I need to lay out is the trusses. When building a real house, you wouldn't want to lay out the trusses on top of a ladder, so I'm going to lay them out just like this. Are you ready to start framing these walls? Good. I'll see you on the next one.